Math Mock Exam Day 2. You cannot have any communication devices, including a cell phone, with you during this test or during any breaks, such as a restroom visit. Such devices include, but are not limited to, cell phone, BlackBerry devices or other PDAs, iPods and MP3 players, iPads, tablets, and other e readers, laptops, notebooks, or any other personal computing device except for the device that you are using to take the exam. Any other device capable of recording audio, photographic, or video content, or capable of viewing or playing back such content. If you have any of these near you, you must put them out of sight and out of reach. You may not keep your cell phone or any of these other items with you or near you, including in your pockets, backpack, desk, etc. Is there anyone who needs to put away these items now? This is your last opportunity to do so before the test begins. Teachers, please pause this video if needed. Now, listen silently as I read some tips for taking the test aloud to you. Here are some suggestions to help you do your best. Make sure that you have split your screen and have both Kami and Illuminate open. Read each question carefully and think about the answer. Plan your time accordingly and pace yourself. Are there any questions? Teachers, feel free to pause this video for questions. Today, you will be taking the second part of the Math Mock Exam. In today's session, you will answer 5 open response questions. You will be using both Kami and Illuminate throughout the test. Kami is your test booklet, and you will show your work for every problem in Kami. Illuminate is your answer sheet for today's exam. All your final answers should be put into Illuminate. As you move throughout the test, each time you solve a problem in Kami, you should immediately write your final answer in Illuminate. Any questions? Teachers, please pause this video for questions. In a moment, we are going to be logging into Google Classroom and Illuminate to take day 2 of this test. When I say go, 1. Open your math class in Google Classroom. 2. Open the assignment titled Grade Math Mock Exam Day 2. 3. At the top of the screen, click where it says Open With. 4. Select Open with Kami. 5. Share Done in the chat once you have your Kami doc open. Next, I want to make sure you have your reference sheet for the exam. Teachers, please pause this video if scholars still need to open Google Classroom and Illuminate. Next, I want to make sure you have your reference sheet for the exam. Your reference sheet is located at the beginning of your test booklet, page 2. You should reference it as needed during your exam. Now we are going to ensure that we have access to Illuminate for today. In a moment, the link to Illuminate will be dropped. When you are signed into Illuminate, send Ready in the chat. Teachers, please pause this video if scholars need more time to access Illuminate. Okay, now you have everything you need, but before you get started, there are a few things I need to share regarding tools you can and cannot use during the exam. For 5th grade, you may not use a calculator during this exam. You are only permitted to use your reference sheet and the equations, annotating, and shapes features in Kami. For 6th and 7th grade, you are permitted to use a calculator, your reference sheet, and the equations, annotating, and shapes features in Kami. You must work independently, and you may not speak while taking this test. Now, scroll in your test booklet in Kami and begin.